Okay, hello and welcome to Porting Tool Tips from CC Specialty Tool. You can find all the products you see online at ccspecialtytools.com. What we're going to talk about today is carbide burrs. Something you should be familiar with if you do any porting and polishing, and if you do metalworking in general. They're amazing little cutting tools, and we'll just dive right in and show you a few of the different types. One of the first ones I want to talk about here is aluminum hogs. Aluminum hogs have these large flutes that can cut out a whole lot of metal very quickly. They can hog out aluminum very quick. Now, therefore, soft metals like aluminum and plastics and composites, there's a lot of various shapes to them. You can see smaller head sizes like this one, different rounded head sizes like this. And now, we also even have mounted over here on our beautiful 182 AMC is a 1/8 inch shank aluminum hog. So now you have an aluminum hog that can do work in transfer ports and things to that nature. Now, I do have to give you a warning with aluminum hogs. They will move a lot of metal in a hurry, and it's really easy to take the metal out, but it's hard to put it back on. The next shape I want to go over is diamond cut. Now, diamond cuts are like this large-headed one here. You can see they have cross cuts here on the flutes. They take out smaller metal chips, and they can go through things like cast iron, hardened steel, things to that nature very well. I actually like working with the diamond cut because it makes smaller metal chips. It seems like you can run them at various RPMs a lot easier. Now, there's several different types. You can see cylinder cuts like this one. You've got them down here on these little 1/8 inch carbide burrs that can be run, like I said, in the 1MC or the 182 MC. The next cut that I want to go over quickly is the spiral cut. I'm going to show you it on a RC here. Spiral cut is the most simplistic one. It's kind of the workhorse of carbide burrs. It has a very simple straight flute. They're easily resharpened. They're very easy to work with, and I like them a lot in general. Now, some of the other tools, odds and ends that you may want to work with are things like vanadium steel cutters, like you'll see over here. These are small ones. They come in 3/32 and 1/8 inch shank. Now, they're used for working a little bit softer metals. They're not as hardened like the carbide burrs, but they still do a great job in aluminum. Another one we want to go over here are these diamond impregnated burrs. Now, these are beautiful, or I think they are. See that nice sparkly there? They're actually diamond impregnated. They'll go through cast iron, hardened steel, even up to titanium. Now, the only thing that's more beautiful than how these little things look is the job they do. They can go through and smooth out just about anything. So, and they're fairly easy to replace at only about $16 a pop. So that's a few of the tools, a few of the cutting tools that you can find online at ccspecialtytools.com. And they're going to help you out when you do any of your porting and polishing or metalwork in general.